Hello, today we are going to be looking at the new APM logs experience. There are two huge problems in logging today, collecting logs and finding the log you need when you need it. We have been working hard on solving these problems, and I am pretty excited to take you through the new and improved solution. To start with, the APM agent now instruments your application's logging framework, and it sends those logs straight to New Relic. No need for a forwarder and no need for a sidecar. We have also made significant UI improvements to service the logs you need right alongside the telemetry you care about the most. First off, we have this nice clickout that allows the user to view logs from any visualization within APM. In the log summary view, which scopes down the logs to the application you are looking at, we have updated the log table to include the full functionality of the main logs UI. Moreover, we have updated the log summary view to now have the ability to query logs from specific data partitions. Now you can filter your application's logs further by partitions and query. Simply open this data partition selection menu, select the partitions you want to query from, and click Done. Moreover, we have updated the volume chart to show a more in-depth analysis of the severity levels of the logs being sent to the application in a color-coded bar chart showing error warning, debug, info, and no status logs. We have also improved the distributed tracing view by not only allowing users to click on a trace, which spans multiple apps or multiple hosts to view their logs in the context of that trace, but also allowing the user to view their logs in the context of a transaction trace. As you can see, here is a distributed trace transaction, as denoted by the trace ID here. And here are the logs associated with that transaction. We've also made improvements to the errors inbox view to view logs in the context of the error. Just like distributed tracing, because we've scoped it to the trace itself, we can view the full journey from the logging perspective. What was the request lifecycle? Where did it start? What threw that error? Logs in context is also available in the infrastructure view. I can go to the host, select the hosts I care about, and be able to view all of my telemetry in context, including my aggregated logs. Additionally, you can go to the main logs UI from any of these context pages that I've shown. Anytime you navigate to the main logs UI, you are automatically scoped to the application that you came from. And from the main logs UI, which has numerous new features including click to parse, exporting of your logs, adding to dashboard, partitions, save views, you also have reverse telemetry in context. I can see the health of my host or application straight from the log line, or even my Kubernetes cluster, if this were a log line with a cluster, which I think is pretty amazing. There are many reasons you may not want APM logs enabled. You can turn this off by going to the Data Management Hub, your data here, clicking the ellipses for APM log settings, and hitting Disable. Thank you for watching.